Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, December the 31st at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, so first up, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you are in the store to scan each and every item with your DG app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check, because prices can vary from store to store. And we do have a few gain scenarios this week, so again, it is very, very important, especially when you're dealing with gain scenarios. You want to make sure that the gain DG store coupon shows up underneath each gain or gain scented product, because the gain DG store coupon does not always work with all gain products or all gain scented products. So remember, scan, scan, scan. Alright guys, so for our first gain scenario, you want to pick up one of the Gain laundry products priced at $15.95. You can choose from the 60 count Flings, 154 ounce liquid laundry detergent, or the 26.5 ounce Fireworks. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners at $3.25 each. Make sure that one is Gain scented as well. Then you want to pick up one of the Crest with Scope or Pro Health toothpaste at $1, one of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes at $1, 2 of the Vicks 20 count cough drops at $1 each, and 2 of the Herbal Essences travel size dry sprays at $1.75 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $29.95. And here's your list of coupons that you're going to need. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 20 Gain DG store coupon, your 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Gain laundry product, the $3.25 off 2 Mr. Clean products, the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, the 3 off 2 Vicks products, and the 4 off 2 Herbal Essence products. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $2.70 for all 9 items, making each one just 30 cents each. Alright, next up, here's another option for you all if you want to do a Gain deal this week. You can pick up one of the Gain laundry products priced at $7.50, and all of the options are listed for you on the screen there. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Gain scented Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners at $3.25 each, one of the Gain scented Swiffer refills at $5.50, one of the Gain products for $1 from the Dollar Owl. You can choose from the laundry detergent, the fabric softener, the dryer sheets, the dish soap, or the trash bags. Just make sure whichever one you pick, it does attach to the 5 off 20 Gain DG store coupon. Then you're going to throw in one of the Crest with Scope or the Pro Health toothpaste for $1, one of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, 2 of the Vicks 20 count cough drops for $1 each, and 2 of the Herbal Essence travel size dry sprays at $1.75 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $28. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 20 Gain DG store coupon, your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, the 2 off 1 Gain laundry, the 325 off 2 Mr. Clean, the 1 off 1 Swiffer product, the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 2 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, the 3 off 2 Vicks products, and the 4 off 2 Herbal Essences. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to just 75 cents for all 11 items, making each one just 6 cents each. Now, I know that some of y'all may have already used up all of those overage coupons, so here is another option. You can pick up one of the Gain laundry products priced at $7.50, 2 of the Gain scented Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners at $3.25 each, one of the Gain scented Swiffer refills at $5.50, 1 Gain product from the Dollar Aisle for $1, one of the 9 Lives 12 ounce cat foods for $1.35, and 2 of the Head & Shoulders travel size for $2 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.85. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 20 Gain, your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Gain laundry product, the $3.25 off 2 Mr. Clean products, the 1 off 1 Swiffer, the 75 cents off 1 9 Lives cat food, and the 3 off 2 Head & Shoulders. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $5.85 for all 8 items, making each one just 73 cents each. Now, I do want to go ahead and point out that we do have some other really good substitutions if you guys have already used those overage coupons up, or if you can't find those products at your store. So make sure that you stay tuned until the end, because I have a totally free scenario, and a lot of those items would make great substitutions for these other products. Now, we're going to go ahead and get back into our regular 5 off $25 scenarios. But first, if you guys haven't already, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button and leave me a comment in the comment section down below, even if it's just a smiley face emoji that spreads positivity, and it is a free way that y'all can help support this channel. And it helps my videos do better whenever you guys comment and interact with the video. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment down below. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video to a friend or or a family member, or you can just send it to yourself in a text message or an email. But just by you guys clicking on those 3 little buttons, the thumbs up button, leaving a comment, and clicking on that share button, it really does help me out. So if you guys could do that, I really appreciate it. Alright, so jumping back into our 5 off $25 scenarios. For this one, you want to pick up 6 of the Dr. Pepper 2 liters. Those are on sale this week, 3 for $5. Then you want to pick up 1 of the 12-ounce 9 Lives cat foods at $1.35, 1 of the Purina Prime Bones for $5.75, 1 of the Holiday Kinder Joys for $1.24, 2 of the Hefty Slider Bags. They're on sale this week for $2.50. Then you want to throw in 1 of the Crest Pro Health or Scope toothpaste for $1 and 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1. And that's going to put your subtotal at $25.34. And here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, the 2 off 10 Dr. Pepper, 75 cents off 1 9 Lives cat food, the 2 off 1 Purina Prime Bones, 50 cents off 1 Kinder Joy, 150 off 2 Hefty Slider Bags, the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 2 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush. And that's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $9.59 for 13 items. But this still gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $2 rebate back on the Purina Prime Bone. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $2 back. And that is going to make your final price $7.59 for 13 items, making each one just 58 cents each. Alright, next up we have a little household deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 1 of the 26-count Snuggle Scent Booster packs at $4.95, 2 of the Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners at $3.25 each, 1 of the finished 12-count dishwasher tablets at $3.85, 1 of the Chloroline sprays for $3, 1 of the Febreze 1-count car clips at $3.35. You want to be on the lookout for the Evening Woods or Whispering Woods scent. Then you want to throw in 1 of the Crest with Scope or the Pro Health toothpaste for $1, 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, 2 of the Vicks 20-count cough drops for $1 each, and 2 of the Herbal Essence travel size dry sprays for $1.75 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $29.15. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Snuggle product, $3.25 off 2 Mr. Clean products, $1.50 off 1 finished product, $1.50 off 1 Chloroline spray, 2 off 1 Febreze Unstoppables, 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, 2 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, the 3 off 2 Vicks products, and the 4 off 2 Herbal Essences. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $3.90 for all 12 items. But this still gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $1 rebate back on the Snuggle 26-count scent boosters. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $1 back. That's going to make your final price $2.90 for all 12 items, making each one just 24 cents each. Alright, next up we have a little personal care deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 1 of the Always 26-count liners at $3.25, 2 of the Vaseline lotions at $4 each, 1 of the Dove 3-count bar soaps for $4.75, 2 of the Head & Shoulders travel size at $2 each, 1 of the Believe Beauty standing blocks for $1.65, 1 of the Oral-B 75-count floss picks at $3.35, 1 of the Crest with Scope or Pro Health toothpaste for $1, 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, 2 of the Vicks cough drops for $1 each, and 2 of the Herbal Essences travel size dry sprays at $1.75 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $32.50. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Always product, the 2 off 6 Vaseline and Simple DG store coupon, the $3.50 off 2 Vaseline lotion, the $1.50 off 1 Dove product, the 3 off 2 Head & Shoulders, the 1 off 1 Believe Beauty products, the 2 off 1 Oral-B floss, 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, 2 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, 3 off 2 Vicks products, and the 4 off 2 Herbal Essences. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $2.50 for all 14 items, making each one just 17 cents each. Alright, and last but not least, we have our low out-of-pocket deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners at $3.25 each, 2 of the Head & Shoulders travel size at $2 each, 2 of the Herbal Essences dry sprays for $1.75 each, 1 of the Suave 1.4 ounce deodorants for $1.35, 1 of the Oral-B 75-count floss picks at $3.35, 1 of the Crest with Scope or Pro Health toothpaste for $1, 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, 2 of the Vicks cough drops for $1 each, 3 of the American greeting cards for $1 each, and 1 of the Believe Beauty sanding blocks for $8.65. That is going to put your subtotal at $27.35. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the $3.50 off 2 Mr. Clean products, the 3 off 2 Head & Shoulders, the 4 off 2 Herbal Essences, 75 cents off 1 Suave deodorant, the 2 off 1 Oral-B floss, the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 2 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, the 3 off 2 Vicks products, the $1.50 off 3 American greeting cards, and the 1 off 1 Believe Beauty product. And after all those coupons have been applied, that is going to make this scenario completely free, plus give you 15 cents in overage. Now, typically that overage will apply to your taxes, but in the event that it does not, do not allow the cashiers to give you cash back. They can get in trouble for that. So go ahead and throw in something else from the dollar aisle, or something that you need, or a piece of candy or something like that. But do not allow the cashiers to give you cash back. Now, if y'all are looking for more deals and ways to save, and if you want to see what I've been up to this week, make sure that you go back and check out the previous videos that I have uploaded for you all this week. I will have them all listed for you in the pinned comment down below. And also make sure that you stay tuned, because I will have my Walmart haul video coming up next. So, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And of course, do not forget, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Because, hey, we all love free stuff over here on this channel, and that is a free way that you can help support this channel. So, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, leave me a comment, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one.